Welcome to Aspire with the Florists. Let's ignite your aspirations together.
Today, we dive into the wild, unconventional memoir, Greenlights, by Academy Award-winning actor Matthew McConaughey. This isn't your typical celebrity autobiography. It's a kaleidoscope of raucous stories, outlaw wisdom, and hard-earned life lessons that promise to leave you both entertained and introspective. Greenlights is more than just a recounting of McConaughey's life. It's an exploration of the human experience, filled with reflections, poems, and even bumper stickers. McConaughey has been keeping diaries for 35 years, documenting his successes and failures, joys and sorrows. This audiobook is a culmination of those musings, offering a raw and honest look at his journey to find meaning and satisfaction in life. In Greenlights, McConaughey takes us through 50 years of his life, trying to work out its riddles. He shares notes about how to be fair, reduce stress, have fun, hurt people less, and get hurt less. His insights on how to be a good man and live a meaningful life are both profound and relatable. The memoir is structured as an approach book rather than a traditional advice book, focusing on insights and philosophies that can be objectively understood and subjectively adopted. One of the most striking aspects of Greenlights is McConaughey's stance on nostalgia. He explicitly states that this memoir is not about sentimentality or retirement, but about embracing life's brutal truths and beautiful moments alike. This bold approach might be surprising to some, but it's what makes the audiobook so refreshing and impactful. McConaughey's storytelling is laced with humor, optimism, and a candidness that pulls you in from the very beginning. Let's take a moment to listen to a snippet from Greenlights, narrated by McConaughey himself.
Recently, I worked up the courage to sit down with those diaries and have a look at the 35 years of writing about who I've been over the last 50. And you know what? I enjoyed myself more than I thought I would. I laughed, I cried, I realized I had remembered more than I expected and forgot less. What did I find? I found stories I witnessed and experienced, lessons I learned and forgot, poems, prayers, prescriptions, answers to questions I had, reminders of questions I still have, affirmations for certain doubts, beliefs about what matters, theories on relativity, and a whole bunch of bumper stickers. I found consistent ways that I approached life that gave me more satisfaction at the time and still. I found a reliable theme. So I packed up those journals and took a one-way ticket to solitary confinement in the desert, where I began writing what you hear now. An album, a record, a story of my life so far. Things I witnessed, dreamed, chased, gave, and received. Truth bombs that interrupted my space and time in ways I could not ignore. Contracts I have made with myself, many of which I live up to, most of which I still pursue. These are my sights and scenes, felt and figured out, cools and shamefuls, graces, truths, and beauties of brutality, initiations, invitations, calibrations, and graduations, getting away with, getting caught, and getting wet, trying to dance between the raindrops. Rites of passage. All between are on the other side of persistence and letting go, on the way to the science of satisfaction in this great experiment called life.
Did you feel the raw energy in his voice? McConaughey's narration adds a personal touch that makes the audiobook even more engaging. His distinct drawl and passionate delivery bring the stories and lessons to life, making you feel like you're having a deep conversation with an old friend. One of the most captivating elements of Greenlights is its balance between laughter and tears. McConaughey doesn't shy away from discussing his hardships and mistakes, but he does so with a humor that turns pain into a learning experience. He talks about stepping in life's shit and learning to scrape it off and move on. This metaphor beautifully encapsulates the essence of his memoir, embracing life's messiness with grace and humor. If you're looking for an audiobook that offers more than just a peek into a celebrity's life, Greenlights is a must-listen. It's a love letter to life, filled with wisdom, humor, and a dash of McConaughey's signature charm. Whether you're an audiobook enthusiast, a fan of McConaughey, or someone seeking a bit of inspiration, this memoir will resonate with you on many levels. Don't miss out on this incredible journey. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful, motivational, and inspirational reviews. And if you haven't signed up for Amazon's Audible membership yet, Use the link in the description to get a free copy of Greenlights with a 30-day free trial. Until next time, keep catching those green lights.
Thank you for tuning in at Aspire with the Florises. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.